How to add order on WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how it's done. It's very easy and simple to do. You just need to go to the description and you're going to be able to find some code. Just go in and copy it and follow these steps. So this is obviously going to be great for people who you want to be able to have customers contact you on WhatsApp. It's just going to make things a lot easier. It's just going to be a click of a button and that's it. So first you'll need to go to your online store, go to themes and click on edit theme. From here, you simply just want to go to the default product page. So you can just click on any product or you can just go to the top, click on that, click on products and default product. Now what we want to do is just click on the product information, the arrow right next to it. And then we simply just want to click on add block. Once we click on add block, we simply just want to scroll down and click on show all. And go back up and you should be able to find custom liquid. You can even search for it to make things easier. Just go ahead and find custom liquid and click on it. Once we do that, you simply just want to click on it one more time. And you simply just want to paste in the code that you will find in the description. So once you paste in the code, you should be able to see that, we have this button now, order via WhatsApp. First, you can feel free to customize this to whatever you like. But most importantly here, if you just scroll up to the top here, you should be able to find this right here and you should be able to see this number. So basically you're going to be adding your number with the country code. So for example, if your country code is +63, you simply just do that, just remove the plus. So with the country code without the plus sign, that's very important. So just go and replace this with your number. Once that's done, you simply just go ahead and save on the top right corner. And we can just go back and move it down if you want to. So you can just go back here and move it below the buy buttons, for example. And that's it. We can just click on save one more time. And that's all you need to do. So now people, if they actually click on it, we can just go back. Online store, view your online store. If we click on products, we should be able to see the button. And if we click on it, it's just going to allow us to open up WhatsApp and start the conversation. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.